Residents of Langathel and Phundrei, comprising Meitei and Meitei Pangal communities alongside JFD leaders, staged a mammoth torch rally last night to demand an NRC update before the state census begins. The rally began from Langathel-Phundrei Park and concluded at Khongjom War Memorial Complex. The protesters chanted several key slogans, including No NRC, No Census, No NRC, No Election, and no census before the resettlement of internally displaced persons during the rally. Speaking on the sidelines, protester Muhammad Jabir Khan stated that the central and state government's plan to conduct a census prior to updating the NRC goes against public aspirations. He urged the government to immediately halt every census-related affair and prioritize the NRC process first. Jabir Khan further cautioned that the local residents of Langathel and Phundrei will not remain silent if authorities forcibly proceed with census operations in the state.
Government asina akoi NRC taudana census taunaba satharaiba lalong ase akoi praja moina praja mayam sena yaningde ba phungdokagi adum loba mairage rally ne tasengna akoi hojojik satharaleba government ge thawong ase praja moina miyam ni moselaga haijari tasengna yaningde akoi hairiba NRC se hana tawbiu aduga census tawbiu NRC hana tawbiu aduga vote tawbiu haiba se praja singe kholauni masinatana government mayam ge apa masi mayokta tawraiba khudimak praja mayam na government ge mathakta adum changsan ma khongjang khujung makta Phundrei amade lanthang ge praja singna adumak innagani amade khongjang changsan khigani akhoi NRC tawdana census tawba yaroi haiba pandam sida adum lepchari